Welcome to Kanasoft Service. Today we are discussing generalized CRM project, bringing up the development of the journey. The CRM platform encompasses Google Chrome extension, mobile applications, Android and iOS, and web applications. This CRM project journey, working together delivering customized CRM solution, meet the unique requirement of the client. For the demo purpose, I already added user, so I can give you better idea of the CRM. Enter the email ID and password. Then click on the sign in button. After successfully login on the portals, see the various type of menu which include dashboard, contact, companies, opportunity, project, task and reports. You can globally search. You can also manage the menu. You can see the latest activities, notification details. You can also one click on the itself your personal profile details. See the pipeline summary, project conduct, proposal discussion, see the my open task, see the latest activities and see the self performance. How many projects won, how many projects lost, each and every detail see in the dashboard. Now jump to in contact menu. I have already added few records. Suppose I want to create new records, so click on the create new button and see the various type of fields and select the contact types. Then click on the save button. Company. I have already added few records for companies. Suppose I want to see the quick view of the any company's details. So click on the icon buttons. So getting new notification and right hand sides. So see the company details about activities related. Also add logs, tasks and meets. And you can do it any other of filters like your city wise, state wise, country wise, zip wise and tag wise. This is Kanban type of methodologies, and this is sales. Like you have sales team is the give me for the any requirement, like you have grading for the any leads. So you can manage this opportunity. Like you have a create for is any leads, so create the new buttons. To see the various type of fields and also create for is the pipelines. We have already two pipelines we are creating. Like you have create for is a new pipeline, so click on the create new pipelines. So see the pipelines details. You can also drag and drop of the functionalities. Like you have this Mira, so I want to is changing for is a part like your contact made to directly appointment conduct. So this is automatically update for this section. Jump to in project menu. You can see the project details for this is post-sales activities. You can see the various type of stages in review, in process, completed, kickoff meeting and documenters. Suppose I want to create new project, to click on the create new buttons, then getting new pop-up menu and enter the project name, select the status, then click on the save buttons. Suppose I want to changing for is any particular project, specific project, to click on the easily drag and drop one section to another sections. And suppose I want to see the project's activities, to click on the these buttons and getting new pop-up menu in right hand sides and see the project activities, about activities and related. Also adding notes, logs and tasks in meeting. Now jump to in task menu. I have already few records add in task menu. Suppose I want to create for is a new task, to create new buttons, the getting new pop-up menu and add the task details and click on the save button. Suppose I want to quick view of the particular task, to click on the icon buttons and getting new pop-up for in right hand sides and see the particular task details, about and notes details. Now jump to report menu. You can see the various type of reports, pipelines reports, sales reports, self forecast reports, self performance reports. You can see the graphical base of reports, different type of records. Now jump to in setting menu. You can manage the admin setting. You can manage the account setting, personal details, data management, integration, customizations and many more. Suppose I want changing for is any users and invite new user, to click on the invite new users. Then after click on the invite new users. So getting new pop-up menu, add the users names and then click on the save buttons. Here you can set the currency. Here you can set the personal preference and notification. Here you can manage the import and export data. Suppose I want to click on the import data. So see the import data details, companies, contacts and opportunities. Suppose I want to uploading for data for is a companies. So see the various type of uploading options. Is automations. You can manage the workflow and tasks. Suppose I want to changing for is a workflow, to click on the workflow automations. And suppose I want to create new add new work automation, to click on the add new work automations. So enter the workflow names, enter the select any modules, add the filter condition and action, then click on the save button. Suppose I want to changing for is a task automation, to click on the task automation menu. You can add the new task, to click on the add new task. You can add the basic details, select the entity, select the status, select the task, then click on the save button. Now integrations. Based on the client, request to add new integrations option in CRM. See the various type of integrations, native integrations, Google Drive, MailChimp, Slack, QuickBook and also adding Zipper. Thank you for the watching and check out our custom CRM. Please contact us for any inquiry for CRM development.